Well friends, here is the next problem. Before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. Given direction is, in the given equations, find which of the following interchange of signs or numbers would make the equation correct. Question is, 7 is equal to 15 divided by 3 plus 12. Options are, is equal to and division, 15 and 12, 7 and 12, addition and division. Okay. To solve this, first let me consider the given question, that is 7 is equal to 15 divided by 3 plus 12. Now according to the given direction, now what we have to do over here is, we have to interchange the given numbers or signs. If you consider the first option is what? Signs. That means we have to interchange equal to and division. That means wherever there is equal to, you substitute that as division, and wherever there is a division sign, you replace that by is equal to. So let me do that. 7. Now instead of is equal to, we have to consider this, we have to substitute as division 15. Now in place of division, we have to put it as is equal to 3 plus 12. Okay. Well friends, if you observe here, 7 divided by 15, it is going to give you fraction. But generally, the answers will not be in fraction. Therefore, you just leave this option and move to the second option. Okay. Well friends, according to the second option, we have to interchange 15 and 12. That means wherever there is 15, you write that as 12. And wherever there is 12, you write that as 15. Okay. So, 7 is equal to, so instead of 15, you have to write it as 12 divided by 3 plus. So, instead of 12, you have to write it as 15. Okay. Now, before solving, again you need to remember BODMAS rule. Okay. BODMAS rule. So, according to this, the division comes first. 7 is equal to 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is what? Of course, it is 4 plus 15. Now, 7 is equal to 4 plus 15 is what? 19. But you can see that 7 is not at all equal to 19. So, this option will not make the equation meaningful. Therefore, the second option is also wrong. Let us consider the third option. Well friends, according to the third option, we have to interchange now 7 and 12. Okay. So, 7. In place of 7, we have to write it as 12 is equal to 15 divided by 3 plus. So, instead of 12, we have to write it as 7. Okay. Now, look at here. 12 is equal to, first division according to the BODMAS rule. 15 by 3. What is that? 5 plus 7. Now you can see 12 is equal to 5 plus 7 is what? 12. You can see the LHS is equal to RHS. The third option is making the equation meaningful. Therefore, the third option is the right one. Well friends, we will solve some more problems.